Welcome to our channel. Introduction of Digital Marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is also known as online marketing. It is the promotion of brand to connect with potential customer using the internet and other forms of digital communication. Digital marketing means using digital channels like search engine, social media, email, mobile apps and websites to promote a product or services. Difference between digital marketing and inbound marketing. Digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses all types of online marketing efforts, including email marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and more. It involves promoting a brand or products to various digital channels. Inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a specific type of digital marketing that is focused on attracting potential customers to a brand or product through valuable contents. It involves creating and sharing content, then it is designed to educate, inform, and entertain a target audience with the goal of building trust and credibility with that audience over time. Importance of digital marketing. Affordability. Organizations are focusing on long-term marketing goals and hence they are always keen on getting more out of less. These make digital marketing a favorite due to its easy affordability. The reason behind its easy affordability is the low investment techniques such as SEO, content marketing, etc. Some techniques usually at the beginner level come at no cost. Other techniques are paid, but the charges are lower than any traditional marketing techniques like SEM. Talk about SEO versus SEM. Mobile access. Digital marketing allows marketer to work from any location. You can reach any customer sitting in any corner of the world. Due to this high mobility, digital marketing is considered very important to reach the maximum possible customers in a short span of time with low investment. Flexibility. Unlike traditional marketing practices, digital marketing offers flexibility to marketers as different marketing campaigns can be designed and run for various types of customer segments. Not only this, various goals can be set for different market campaigns to cater to different groups of a target audience. Expansion. As discussed in various places in this blog, digital marketing goes a long way in helping any organization in expanding its reach. Customers sitting in any corner of the world can be easily communicated with. If any organization launches a new product category, digital marketing helps to communicate the same to a maximum number of customers in lesser time as compared to the traditional marketing approaches. Multimedia. The options available with digital marketing are numerous. This domain uses multimedia channels to promote its product. For example, a social media content strategy uses LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. The location enables digital marketing is also one such emerging techniques wherein customers get push notification about your shop whenever they are near your shop. Interactivity. The best parts in digital marketing promotes two-way interactivity wherein even customers get to interact with the organization and the product service on a digital platform. For example, digital marketing come up with campaigns to engage customer by asking them to share their experience and feedback regarding the product or services. Tracking. Digital marketing not only offers flexible campaigns and promotion but also allows marketers to effectively track their performance. With the help of Google Analytics, different marketers can get insight and aim for better decision making. Authority. Digital marketing allows marketers to have total control and authority over the marketing process instead of depending on third-party vendors. Digital marketing helps marketers to take ownership of their marketing efforts, whether the result as per the set goals and expectation. Print enhancement. Digital marketing helps marketer to get deeper insight into customer behavior, status and performance. This helps in creating better print advertisement to attract customers and increase engagement. Digital marketing strategies. Digital marketing strategy works for business to business as well as business to consumer. Business to business clients tends to have longer decision making process and thus longer sales funnels. Relationship building strategies work better for these clients, whereas business to consumer tends to respond better to short term offers and messages. Business to business transactions are usually based on logic and evidence which is what skilled business to business digital marketing presents. Business to consumer content is more likely to be emotionally based, focusing on making the customer feel good about a purchase. Thank you.